Welcome back to Motor Vision, the place where automotive innovation meets the road. If you're passionate about trucks, cars, and everything in between, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a ride. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting comebacks in the world of pickups, the 2025 Ford F-100. Yes, you heard that right. The legendary F-100 is back, and Ford is giving this classic nameplate a modern twist. Known for its rugged durability and no-nonsense design, the F-100 has been a part of American truck history for decades. But in 2025, it's not just making a return. It's being reimagined for a whole new generation of drivers. So, what's new about the 2025 Ford F-100? First off, it's important to know that this isn't just a scaled-down version of the F-150. The F-100 is designed to hit the sweet spot between functionality, size, and affordability. Think of it as the pickup for those who need a truck, but don't necessarily want or need a full-size beast. Under the hood, Ford is offering a couple of powertrain options, including a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine that's shared with the Ford Ranger, and a hybrid option for those looking to balance power with fuel efficiency. Early reports suggest we might even see an all-electric version down the line, but Ford hasn't confirmed that officially just yet. The 2025 F-100 is built on a modified version of the Ranger's platform, which means it's tough, but not overbuilt. It's got enough towing capacity to handle your weekend trailer, small boat, or utility load, with a max towing rating expected to be around 7,000 pounds. Payload capacity should be competitive too, likely in the range of 1,800 pounds. Design-wise, the F-100 brings a mix of retro and modern. You'll immediately notice the heritage-inspired front grille, which is a nod to the original F-100 models from the 60s and 70s. But everything else screams 2025. Sleek LED headlights, bold fender flares, and a sculpted hood give the truck a dynamic and forward-looking presence. It looks like a truck that respects its past while driving straight into the future. Inside the cabin, Ford hasn't held back. The interior is packed with technology, including a standard 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system that runs Sync. Higher trims will offer a 12-inch screen, digital gauge clusters, and premium materials throughout. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and Ford is including a suite of driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. What's particularly impressive about the F-100 is how it's positioning itself in the market. Ford wants this truck to be accessible. That means a lower starting price point compared to the F-150, likely in the mid-$30,000 range, making it a great option for younger buyers, urban drivers, or anyone looking for a practical but stylish pickup. Another great feature is its versatility. The F-100 is expected to be offered in multiple trims, including a work-focused base model with vinyl seats and rubber floors, a mid-level XLT that balances comfort with value, and a more premium Lariat trim that brings leather upholstery, upgraded sound, and advanced tech. Whether you're a contractor or a commuter, there's an F-100 that fits your needs. Ford is also focusing heavily on sustainability with the F-100. From recycled interior materials to a more efficient production process, the company is aligning this new model with its broader goals of reducing environmental impact. And if the rumored EV version becomes a reality, that would make the F-100 one of the most eco-conscious pickups in its class. So, what's the verdict? If you've been looking for a truck that offers the durability and utility of a traditional pickup, but in a more manageable and affordable package, the 2025 Ford F-100 could be exactly what you've been waiting for. It's stylish, capable, and connected. All the things a modern truck buyer wants, wrapped in a nostalgic nameplate that brings a little extra soul to the segment. Thanks for watching Motor Vision. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below letting us know what you think of the 2025 Ford F-100. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, reveals, and deep dives into the vehicles that shape our roads. Until next time, keep your engines running and your eyes on the road.